Good morning, class. In today's class, we'll try to understand about sales promotion techniques. Basically, you will understand the concept of sales promotion. We don't have the techniques for syllabus, but I'm just teaching you in case there is a backup required so that, whenever there is a necessity in a case study, you can just try to identify. Right. Now, there are different techniques. Sales promotion technique. What is sales promotion? In promotion means inducing something. Sales promotion means increasing the sales. Mostly, this is intended for a short-term purpose. Now, first one is rebate. When we talk about rebate, this is an incentive offered by the manufacturer to the customer through the dealer. That means the dealer is the intermediary. It is nothing but, when the manufacturer himself announces that there will be a discount in the amount so that the purchase price of the car is lower, or probably the purchase price of the product is lower. Example, that to sell an offer to sell Maruti Alto car at a discount of rupees 10,000 is for a limited period. We also have such offers coming up with Volkswagen. Then you have Chevrolet Spark. All these companies initially gave to trigger the sales. That one is referred to as rebate. Second one is a discount, which you people already very well are aware of. It is a practice of offering products at a lesser price than the list price. That suppose the MRP is 10 rupees, it may be offered at 8 rupees. Right? Bata discount, all those Bata shoes discount, Woodlands discount, etc., etc. Right? You are able to see. Right. Then refund is nothing but it means refunding a part of the price paid by the customer on presenting some proof of purchase. For example, return of empty foils or wrappers get a refund of rupees 5. Same way, now Big Basket is also coming up with an idea of recycling the carton boxes. So they say that whenever they deliver fruits or something in the carton box, if you refund it, it will be added, certain amount will be added to your wallet, basket wallet. So that's a great initiative to promote, recycling of or reusing stuff. Sampling, it means offering free sample of the product so that you can just try the quality of the product and probably get switch on from the existing brand to this new brand after trying the sample. This is done to make the customers try the product and learn about it. HUL usually gave a lot of samples of Surf Excel. Sample things you get everywhere. In every product you can, mostly in consumer products. Right, contest. Some firms hold contests like TMC, PA International, Adishwar, electronic shops particularly. Other than that, Colgate, Vim, Lux. Some firms hold contests for customers. Consumers who buy the firm's products are given an opportunity to participate in the contest. Bonvita Kut contest, drawing competition, lucky draw. Axis Bank also offers. Every November 14th, Axis Bank also offers. Right. So then the quantity gift. Quantity gift means it is offering another product as gift along with the purchase of an existing product. Say for example, buy one get two. Example is buy two get one free. Now Crocodile brand is selling shirts. Buy two and take 5. Like that, buy one get one free. All those things. Then comes product combination. It means that offering another product as a gift along with the purchase of a product. See, quantity gift means same. Shirt kharide to or ek shirt free. But when we talk about product combination, that is also giving another product, but that is totally different. For example, buy a 32 LED TV and get a DVD. That TV is different, DVD player is different. Getting it? So it is a technique like, buy a mobile phone and get a Bluetooth headset free. Mobile phone worth rupees 50,000 or something, for a higher end. It is a technique of sales promotion in which easy financing is nothing, but it is a technique of sales promotion in which easy financing schemes are offered. Say for example, EMI offers. When you buy something in a Bajaj EMI, HDFC EMI offers, all those offers are there. These are some offers. Usually we go for financing for automobile, for electronic goods, etc. For even buying the house, bigger items. Next comes the concept of publicity. What is this publicity? Observe children, when we learned sales promotion technique, discount, quantity gift, 1+1, everything is intended for a short term. In a long run, it is not going to do a great thing. Right? In a long run, only your quality and the good customer service will hold value in the market. Publicity. Publicity is a non-paid form of impersonal communication. Just like an advertisement, except that advertisement is a paid form, whereas publicity is non-paid. Say for example, some events are covered and reported by media at free of cost. Unpaid form of promotion. It is no identified sponsor when a message is given to the general public. I am giving you examples of it. See? Such kinds of ads, like recently there was an advertisement of IKEA. When IKEA opened up in Hyderabad, there was a rush of people that was covered by media. So IKEA showroom got super advertising, even though it did not ask for public attention. Media attention it had not asked, but it got hype because there was a rush. Right, that's a classic example of publicity. Right, publicity happens because media can do anything about, media is so such a thing in that it can probably create a lot of information and news about you. Next one is public relations. See, understand, publicity is different, public relations is different. Public relation means maintaining public relation with the public. That means it involves a variety of programs designed and to promote the image, basically to protect the company's image and the individual products in the eyes of the public. The main intention is to disseminate information and build goodwill about the business. Sometimes what happens, bad name comes to the business. Some kind of, like Maggie initially was told that it has a lot of lead content in it and thereby it's not suitable for people to consume. Later on they fought the case, and for a little portion of time, for a little period of time, they were banned. Later on they came back. Alright, so concrete steps are to be taken to monitor the attitude of general public and generate publicity. Publicity, again, there were ads coming up and counseling happening that it is now not so dangerous. They are adhering to all the norms. Now you can consume, and Maggie is back. Public relation basically is trying to create a good image or impression in the eyes of public. Whenever certain bad negative impact happens, you can go for public relations and entrust the goodwill again back to the company. They are very useful when there is a negative publicity about the company or its products. Somebody says that the company is negative, the products are not good, then you can go ahead with the campaign. Right? Remember, lot of ads related to the interview with Narayan Murthy cleared a lot of myths related to Infosys. Tata always does it. Reliance does it. Right? How do you improve the public relations? What and all can you do? First one, the company can use the following. Some companies get involved in such kind of activities or make such policies so that they get some positive coverage in news. Donations, like recently Tata was in news when it donated 1500 crores for corona victims or to fight the corona. Speeches, the speeches given by leaders of corporate sectors influence various members of public, especially banks, the shareholders. They get influenced by the way the CEO speaks, the chairman speaks. Particularly when Ratan Tata speaks, everybody is spellbound. They all look into Narayan Murthy's speech. They look into. I think so. We have already learned the way Narayan Murthy describes his employees. He says that always. What does he say in staffing lesson? I told you. Every day my assets are walking out, and the next day I hope they come back. My assets are not in the balance sheet, but my assets are my employees. Remember, right? So the way they speak, it should be very charismatic. Press conferences, events, refer to organizing press conferences, multimedia presentations, etc. wherever possible. So these are the tools to improve the, you should be always in the news. Publishing the annual reports, which is inevitable for a public company. As per the commercial corporate law, they should be publishing all the news related to their balance sheet, annual reports, brochures, particularly when they are trading in the stock exchange. Public service activities, that is, building houses, women welfare program, charity shows, planting trees on the roadside, running schools, hospitals, helping the disabled, all Reliance World Cup 1987, annual report of the company, conducting sports activities and promotional events, right? With this, your marketing chapter comes to an end. Right, children? Again, I am repeating, sales promotion techniques are not there, but they can be used as a support for identifying a case study. That is why I have described in today's session. Okay, children? Thank you and have a very, very fantastic day. Tomorrow's class, we will have an online session to discuss about the case studies of marketing. Alright, children? Thank you. Dada Sham.